Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got the JBL Flip 6 wireless Bluetooth speaker. Let's do a quick unboxing and I'll let you know what I think of the sound, and we'll quickly go over some of the customizations that you'll find in the JBL app. Now, of course, if you'd like to pick one of these up for yourself or you're looking for more information, I've got that all linked down below in the description. But let's go ahead and dive right into the JBL Flip 6 wireless Bluetooth speaker. So again, this is the JBL by Harman Flip 6 Bluetooth wireless speaker version 5.1, a 12-hour battery life, JBL Party Boost, 12 hours of playtime, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, JBL Party Boost, Dare to Listen. Let's go ahead and open this up. Really nice box. Looks like we've got some accessories here. Our charge cable, a USB-C cable from USB-A, a safety instruction and warranty card, as well as the quick start guide, and all the tech specs are in there as well. You can pause it here if you want to have a closer look. And the Flip 6 itself, very sturdy feel to it. Kind of feels like a soda can, a solid mesh type finish to it. You've got the speaker on the side here. And the JBL logo is bigger than the previous generation there. The other speaker on the other side. Have a look at the back. A nice little lanyard. It says Flip 6, and then you've got the power button, a Bluetooth connection button, a battery indicator light, as well as the USB-C charge port, and then a little rubber piece here so it doesn't roll away. That's handy. And then on the top here, looks like a connection button or a sync button, a plus and minus for the volume, and a play button. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my phone so I can play some music and see how it sounds. Now that was really easy to connect the speaker to my phone with the JBL app. I have been playing around with it a little bit, but it sounds amazing. Let me play some music here for you. Well, boom, this speaker may be small, but it sure packs a punch. I'm really surprised. It's way louder than you'd expect for its size. It's got rich sound, and it's kind of like a mini party machine that fits in your backpack. So it's great for on the go. It's got awesome bass that makes the music thump, and it's like a mini subwoofer. I love how the speakers on the side just pound. You can see them going in and out there. It's crazy to watch. When I blasted it over in the main family room, it sure gave out a lot of sound. It gives out a lot of sound for the size. Really impressed with it and really happy. But let's go ahead and look at the app and see how you can customize the speaker as well. So the JBL Portable app can be downloaded for free from your app store. And once you've got it open, there's a couple different selections here at the bottom. The first one is My Products. We'll come back to that in a moment. The second one is Party Together. So you can connect multiple speakers together, place them around your home, and play the same music throughout your house. Really awesome feature there if you own multiple speakers or your friends have some. There's also some app settings in here as well. Jumping back to My Products, it says Tap to Connect, and it'll take us into where we can adjust settings on the speaker. So first off, we can see the battery life here. I've fully charged this speaker and it's at 100%. If there is a software update available, it should show it to you right here. You can tap on that and update your speaker to the latest firmware and latest features. Now, most of you are probably looking for this feature. There is an equalizer in here, and you can adjust it however you like and fine-tune the sound of your speaker. If that's not something you're into, you can just leave it off and have it on the default mode. Now, another cool feature, there is stereo group right here. So if you have two speakers, you can set it up as stereo and have left and right speakers. That's an awesome feature as well. And then down here, you've got product information where you can learn about your product, the quick start guide. You can rename your speaker as well as turn on and off the feedback tones. And again, there's the software update here as well. Great little app to help control your JBL Flip 6. So I did want to point out a couple of quick cons to this speaker, and for some of you it might not be an issue. They're not an issue for myself, but I thought I should mention them. First off, there is not an auxiliary port on this speaker. So if you're looking to connect to it with an aux cable and not use the Bluetooth, you're not able to do that with the Flip 6. The other thing I should mention is there's not a microphone in it either. So if you're looking to use a voice assistant with this speaker, it's not something you're going to find in this unit. So in a nutshell, the JBL Flip 6 is a super cool speaker for kids and grown-ups alike. It connects to your phone or tablet super fast with the Bluetooth connection, so you can be blasting tunes within seconds. Even though it's small, it packs a huge punch. It puts out a lot of sound. I'm really impressed with that. Now it's great for pool parties, picnics, or just hanging out in your room. Plus it's rugged. It does feel very rugged, and it's got the IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, so you don't need to worry about all those spills and splashes on your speaker. It even charges with the same cord as your phone, the USB-C cord, so you don't need a bunch of cords when you're out and about for the day. And the best part, you can connect it to other JBL speakers to make it even bigger and better with more sound. If you're looking for a speaker that's fun, portable, and sounds amazing, the JBL Flip 6 may be the perfect choice for you. So I hope my initial thoughts and unboxing of this JBL Flip 6 did give you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.